How to delete your Pinterest account. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete your Pinterest account in easy and fast way. So let's go. The first thing we do, we go to Pinterest, and this is the home page as you can see. Now you go here down below, click on your profile, and after that click on those three dots here in the corner, and after that click on settings. And now go to account management, and after that go to delete your data and account and click continue, and you will delete your account fast and easy. And that's it for today's video. Please don't forget like if this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for your watching.